Good morning, everyone. Officers should seriously settle people's complaints and expedite them, provide information about welfare schemes to the citizens coming to the camp. Every complaint coming to the Samadhan camp should be seriously settled as soon as possible. Citizens coming to the Samadhan camp should be given the benefits of the welfare schemes of the departments as per their eligibility as per the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. Samadhan camps are being organized in the district every Monday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. On Monday, CTM Jitendra Kumar heard the complaints organized in the auditorium of the mini secretariat and said that all the officers should ensure that every complaint received in the Samadhan camp is resolved as per the rules. Officers should make the people coming to the Samadhan camps aware about the schemes related to the department and also get the application from field on the spot. He said that the government is continuously reviewing the Samadhan camps through video conferencing apart from public complaints in the Samadhan camp. CM Windows social media grievance tracking at extra will also be reviewed according to the department. Haryana government is providing best educational environment. Deputy Commissioner flag of awareness. Vehicle government's focus is on providing quality education. Charkhi Dadri. Haryana government is providing quality education to children by focusing on the all-round development of students by providing best educational environment. Children are being kept connected with their values along with education and efficient guidance is being provided in which government schools are playing their active role. Children studying in school should give priority to positive changes in their education according to the time. This was said by Deputy Commissioner Monish Sharma on Monday during the admission festival organized by the Educational Department at Shahid Dalbir Singh Government Model Sanskriti Vidyalaya. He said that the admission festival scheduled by the Education Department will prove effective in increasing enrollment in school. Haryana government is making its incomparable contribution in making better citizens by providing quality education along with the infrastructural development in the field of education. He said that along with the technology, there is a change in the field of education as well, due to which the coming time will be very changeable for education as well. In such a situation, children studying in a school will also have to make positive changes and the wage of receiving their education and also gain knowledge of new technologies. He said that now there are many areas where SI works with more accuracy. The humans, the work which takes many hours, humans to do and understand, AI can do it just a few minutes. Keeping this example in mind, one can get an idea of the changing era. During the program, the Deputy Commissioner flag of the awareness vehicle of the Education Department, which will go to the entire district and inspire people to get their children admitted in government schools on the first day. These vehicles, along with teachers and students, conducted an awareness campaign in Dadri city. On this occasion, District Education Officer Virendra said that efforts are being made at various levels to speed up the Pradesh Utsav campaign in the district. He said that the people in rural and urban areas will be made aware of education through the publicity vehicle. BEO Dadri Sajjan Kumar Singh, BEO Ramchandra, Principal Suresh Yadav, along with the many teachers and students were present in the program. Administration alert to stop child marriage on Akshaya Tritiya Akshaya Tej. Strict action will be taken on organizing child marriage. Legal offense under Child Marriage Prohibition Act 2006. The auspicious time of Akshaya Tritiya Akshaya Tej is on 30th April, which is also publicly known as Akshaya Tej. As per social custom, on this auspicious time will people organize a large number of marriages, weddings, and under the guise of which a large number of child marriages are also performed by people. Child marriage is not only a social evil but is also a legal offense as per Child Marriage Prohibition Act 2006. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma chaired a review meeting on child marriage on Monday. He said that the priestess, village panch, sarpanches, nambardars, and city councillors in cities and honors in charges of community centers, public buildings, banquet halls, marriage places, dharmsalas, etc., operator of card printing, photographers, band baja, and tent houses, etc. 30th April Akshaya Tritiya के marriage conduct have been instructed to check the age certificates of the bride and groom in advance in relation to the marriage ceremony to be held in their area, and also keep a copy of age certificates with them. Do not allow child marriage to take place in your area. If found to be so, inform that administration and ensure that child marriage is stopped. Deputy Commissioner said that the marriageable age of a girl has been fixed at 18 years and that of a boy is 21 years. Getting married before this is a legal offense. Under the rule, there is also a provision for taking legal action against all those involved in organizing child marriage, under which there is also a provision for 2 years of jail and a fine of up to 1 lakh rupee. He said that the administration will take strict action against the person making a false complaint. Information regarding the organization of child marriage can be given a time to the nearest police station, outpost, Anganwadi worker.
MLA Sunil Sangwan inaugurated the modular operation theatre at World Medical College, Jhajjar. BJP's Dadri MLA Sunil Sangwan inaugurated the modular operation theatre at World College of Medical and Research Centre in Jhajjar. The MLA expressed hope that the opening of the operation theatre will help in providing better health facilities to the people. People of rural and urban areas will get better treatment due to qualified and trained doctors. MLA Sunil Sangwan said on this occasion that the modular operation theatre will provide relief to the patients of Jhajjar district. With the availability of this facility, reputed doctors will also be available for surgery. The public should get the benefit of the state-of-the-art facility. Efforts will be made to strengthen the college and hospital to provide maximum services to the patients. Good facilities are available in the hospital, its proper use should be done for the poor. College Chairman Drive Narendra Singh said that the hospital has a team of experienced and technically trained doctors and other health workers. In this medical college, all types of operations will be done by qualified doctors with degree with modern technology. From time to time, qualified doctors will organize health camps to provide health benefits to the general public. This will increase awareness among the general public about their health. On this occasion, Director Chand Singh Dhul, Principal Drive, J.C. Pasi, Drive, S.S. Dalal and Dr. Amarjeet Rathi etc. were present.